G'day guys, I just wanted to give you an overview on the SoftWash trolley and its application and run you through setting this particular system up. So I've got a package here, window cleaning, surface cleaning, soft washing and pressure cleaning going out today, and I wanted to show you how to set up the SoftWash trolley going forward, because they are quite popular here in Australia and from us here at Blue Tongue Industries. So this particular machine, key start, 3500 psi at 15 litres per minute. So doing general pressure cleaning, what I would say is to normally never adjust the unloader valve. When we're doing surface cleaning or pressure cleaning generally, what I tell customers to do is, if you want to drop the pressure, drop the RPM. The engine's going to run at a lower RPM, you're going to save fuel, less wear and tear, but then we need to keep that RPM at probably 1/3 its normal operating capacity, not to load up that engine. So that's what I normally tell people to do in a pressure cleaning setup. 3500 psi at 15 litres a minute, key start. But running the SoftWash trolley, what we're actually going to do is we are going to adjust that unloader valve. We are going to up the RPM. We're going to go for max flow and 15 litres a minute. You can have 15, 21 or thereabouts. We're going to keep our flow high. We're going to reduce the pressure. We're going to operate the trolley, depending on the system, anywhere from 1000 to 2000 psi. And the ratios given and expected with the particular system will vary depending on the specifications of your machine and the RPM that you're going to run your particular system up. So I'm going to fire it up. We're going to run the system at about 1800 RPM today, and we're going to play with the variable control valve on the injecting system and show you the application that we are going to spray with. So the guns, we've got 30 metres of working hose, and the application gun, various nozzles. So we go from a pencil to various fan jets. So I'll run those through and show you the different applications. We'll fire the system up. So different fan applications that come standard with the kit for different chemical dispersal methods. So with the pencil jet, we've done the manual bypass on this particular system, so you can see a video on why we've done that, to prolong the life of the pump and not cook the pump. I'll drop a link below on that particular video. On the front of the SoftWash trolley, you can see we have various indications from off all the way around to 3%. So 3%, depending on the specifications of your machine, the RPM set will depend on the ratio, and you'll learn very, very quickly at the ratio this particular system will do. And running at max, operating the parameters on this particular system will pull about 3 to 1, which is quite strong. So if you're aiding in a pre or post treatment of a driveway, decks, shade sails, we'd use a higher concentration. Doing a general house wash, we're only going to pull about 1%. We'll have chem on, we'll put the chem on, we won't let that particular side of the house or building dry out. We'll come back to the particular variable nozzle, we'll turn that off, which will give us fresh water, and then we'll rinse off. The trolley will be 30 metres from where we're working. So we can have 60 metres of hose. The trolley is situated 30 metres from where we're working. At the base of the trolley we'll have our 12.5% sodium hypochlorite. In that sodium hypochlorite we'll have a couple of litres of our house wash mix and some of our magic masking, our fragrance killer. As a high grip surfactant we can add sticky blue, or we can also add true blue if we're doing a commercial wash, a KFC, McDonald's service station, to give you more bite for those different tasks. General house washing, our house wash soap is absolutely ballistic, and some of our masking fragrance will kill that potent smell of the sodium hypochlorite. So we've got about 1800 RPM, shooting a pencil jet. I'll dial up 1 on the gauge, and I'll pull around to 3. And what you'll actually see as I flick is how quick we'll drop our chem. We've only simulated here a bucket of water. So normally the suction tube would be in our sodium hypochlorite with our house mix and our magic masking. Let's pull one. We'll watch the level drop. We'll wind that around to 3. We're sitting at about 1500 RPM, so quite low. If we increase the RPM, or increase the pressure, we're going to pull that container even quicker and increase our ratios. So until you know how you want to operate, you can play around with the unloader valve, play around with the RPM of your particular machine, get used to the ratios on the front of the dial on this particular system to give you the chemical application needed to carry out that building house wash facade cleaning system. Hope this is a bit of a good overview from us here at Blue Tongue Industries and the SoftWash trolley, all the chemicals to go with, and it's Gordon at Blue Tongue Industries. Thanks guys.